dominated the proceedings because 3-0 category, and even Harish Kamachi is support raider category as well, but at off. And they will also know that this is the arch rivalry that always has been, or rather I should say will be, most fuming and volcanic eruption match. Nice Dubki. Couple of points.
2 points.
Chain came across and Harish Kamachi was ready.
And 10 out.
A great start to this match, and the two defenders, Ashish involved as well, not too happy with how it unfurled, and the 10 defenders don't communicate, and that chain was broken. And here on the other side, a running hand touch to start off for the Spartans as well.
1 point. Sonipat Spartans.
And they've started well with regards to this match on that raids, so that is where the Sonipat Spartans will try and hope that they can get those tackles early on and change it up and contain those Palni Tuskers Raiders. Here it's Ankit who's coming for Sonipat Spartans, and he will power his way through.
Let us save. 1 point. Sonipat Spartans. Number 6 out.
Is Rajpal Jaipal.
Pankaj Thakur, of course, attempted that quick toe touch early on in this raid. Now he has 15 more seconds to try something else as he switches sides, constantly moving on both. Again, he attempts that quick touch. Will have to settle for the empty raid. No, he's gone in for that bonus,
Plus 1 point.
and simultaneously
Sonipat Spartans. Number
gotten
17
points
out.
as well.
And lovely. The dash looked evident, but what a wonderful recovery. That one is Pankaj Thakur. Because yeah, there you see, when you see Gautam Murugan coming in, he turns the lobby because he's been fit enough to do it, because he's got few stitches on the head as well, a couple of them, but then he's been completely fit as all because of the players' hospitality partner there, the Eshel Hotel. And of course, they offer steam room, sauna and outdoor swimming pool as well, which makes the place to unwind after a hard-fought match.
Let it out.
And that's a
1
hard-fought
point.
tackle as well.
Sonipat Spartans.
Puts Harish Kamachi down for the first time in this match as a left corner. Of course, he played for the Vasco Vipers in the division matches. Priyanshu Balraj will see him in the next raid. It's Pankaj Thakur in a super tackle situation. And the only factor is for the Tuskers now for the pride moment. Beautiful Dubki. Yeah,
Let us save.
they are practicing
2
for
points. Sonipat
the
Spartans.
second
Number
eliminator
6
against
and
the
9
Warriors
out.
KC, the Sonipat Spartans.
And as you said, a beautiful Dubki that we get to witness, and I think it's one of the most grace we see in Kabaddi when you see it in slow motion, how a raider's thought process is going through and under those two players. Now Vishwa Kumar will try and engage on something similar. In that middle, we saw the bonus was left open. I'm not too sure if he got it there in that instance, but we can be sure
Bonus point.
of him being
Palni
tackled
Tuskers.
out.
Let it
And the
out.
first
1 plus
all
2
out
3
being
points.
inflicted by
Sonipat
the Spartans.
All out. Palni Tuskers.
Flank, no point coming off that raid.
Yeah, true. Milan Tendril goes back with an empty raid. Can there be that aggression, even though that this match does not have an impact tomorrow?
Let us save. 2 points. Sonipat Spartans. Number
And the
17
Spartans
and 2 out.
are on a roll at the moment, and almost every raid of theirs is not just a point. We're seeing 2 points coming off, and here something's crawling.
Nova. But the third raider, now see Ilan Tendril is a fourth raider. If you look at the earlier Tuskers, he always comes in as a fourth raider, being thrown into the grinder as a do-or-die raider expert, or the
Let it out.
person
1
who
point.
will take the
Sonipat
axe on his
Spartans.
head. That's spoken. Yeah, do-or-die raid. That's why he just said, just get the point and come back. And Jaipal doesn't do it.
Let it out. 1 point. Sonipat Spartans.
I think they've they've managed to get more raid points than the tackle points. But if you really talk about the top-notch team, that's the Jaipur Pink Cubs, who really played like the big cats. They've been the first finalists as well as expected, because yesterday, day before, they kind of dominated the Yuva Yodhas like no other. Super tackle situation. Yeah, this has been good. This has been good.
Let it out. Super
Nice
tackle. 2
double
points.
ankle hold that
Only
came in.
Tuskers.
Pankaj Thakur was just saying, fine, I've surrendered. So yeah, he's my trip super tackle. That's there.
Second one for them. Of course, the first one was the Raider running onto the lobby. In this occasion, it is
Exactly be what it is, and that's why they are on top. So that is what the
Half
Tuskers
time.
have.
In the court.
I should rather use that word and say failed to do,
Raids as well. 6 more points, 13-7.
which was inside.
Pankaj once again. He's been the best Raider so far in this game. He will try, but not in this
Let
occasion.
it out.
It's the super tackle again
2
for the
points.
Palni Tuskers. That is where they strike.
Yeah, the timing of the double ankle hold was correct. Thankfully, it doesn't go into the lobby again. This Surya Saravanan.
Substitution. Palni Tuskers.
The
2 out.
diving,
12 in.
the time of the dive was really nice as Ranjit Madan Mogan. Yuva Mumba side,
What
now, even
a-
with just 2 raiders after this raid. Brian, we can discuss on those numbers which will come on our screen. Even with just 2 raiders for the bulk of the matches, we will see that number as Ranjit Madan Mogan has come in to a do or die raid.
Ten more seconds for him. He has the bonus on. What's he got in mind? Has not been executed for
Let it
sure.
out. 1 point.
It's the tackle
Sonipat
point.
Spartans.
That comes.
Yuva Mumba talking about Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi and Prithviraj Shinde as yeah, even they understand that this is not the Tuskers that we know of, because they are also trying to keep themselves safe. Oh, that's the all out. That's the all out. Ankit Chorova. And on a super tackle situation,
2 plus
Surya
2,
Saravanan
4
misses
points.
out.
Sonipat Spartans.
Well,
All out. Palni
yeah,
Tuskers.
the all out has been inflicted. I've spoken to most of the coaches, most of the players. They don't get to understand that the cover needs to go in a chain, the left and the right, every time. Oh, look at that. Cut, copy, paste. That toe
1
touch,
point.
typical of
Palni Tuskers.
Ranjit Madan
Number
Mogan. And
13
Navin
out.
Sharma was not ready for it.
Oh well, that's a nice way to put it across there. And now it gives Palni Tuskers a little bit of confidence. But Naveen, we look at Yuva Mumba scoring split in that last 5 games, 47-44 on the raids here. A massive raid, multi-pointer. Definitely, we will get the confirmation on how many it is. Could be 2.
Let us save 3 points. Sonipat Spartans. Number 10, 17 and 16 out.
So super raid. Wonderful. And this is good to see Ankit Chorova amidst the numbers, because the big tough marks that's coming in. See, even when the covers come, that's why the Tuskers have lost. And why the Tuskers are struggling. Look at this. Raid strike rate, always bigger. That's why Yuva Mumba have
Let it
qualified.
out. Bonus
And Ran, I
point.
should tell
Palni
you,
Tuskers. Let
that
it
is
out.
just with
1
2
plus 2,
raiders.
3 points.
They
Sonipat
don't
Spartans.
have a
All
regular
out.
third raider.
Palni Tuskers.
It's a bonus and the all out again. Treated as super 10. So that's nice. As I said, see, he's getting a good practice. Very, very important match practice before they take on the Yuva Mumba. Or rather, hang on. Sonipat Spartans will play the Warriors KC
Let it out.
tomorrow,
1
because
point.
that's the 1 and 2
Palni
contest
Tuskers.
at 5:30. That's the second eliminator, the better chance to get multiple points. In the tackle, it's only 1. By max 2. Yeah, there you see. Warriors KC, as always, raid strike rate is bigger than the tackle strike rate. The 3 teams, Jaipur Pink Cup 60-40 split. The
Let it out. 1
Warriors
point.
KC, it's
Palni
of course
Tuskers.
it's a 50-40 split again. Even when you've given Cubs have AK DK with them, and Sahil Deswal, Ronak, everybody. Yeah, it's a do or die raid here. Navid Sharma.
Rajpal for the Tuskers. The double thigh hold
1
comes
point.
in.
Sonipat Spartans.
And again,
These Tamil teams coming in and showing us that solo dashes, they don't seem to learn it. And we've said it a zillion times now. The chain tackle, chain dash doesn't go in at all. So yeah, do or die raid. Vishwakumar is a defender. Well, he takes
1
it against
point.
Priyanshu
Only Tuskers.
Balraj.
Number 2 out.
That's the first time that he's fumbling.
noticed on the invitation teams we've had this time on the Yuva platform, because they are more or less academies, right, that are structured and set up. Do you see something different in their approach to the game?
Very much in terms of how they even read the game. Ranjit Madan Mogan
1
gets it away.
point.
But for me, I think now
Number
that
10 out.
word doesn't exist, Ran. I mean, they are a part of UA now. This is Navid Sharma comes in at the last raider format here, because he's coming because nobody's left over there. Bonus, probably he will try and then surrender because he's a defender. He will not have too much of movements, not even a bonus maybe. Has he?
Red out.
Yeah,
1
no
plus 2
bonus
3
as well.
points. Only
All out
Tuskers.
inflicted.
All out. Sonipat
So yeah, so
Spartans.
the don't have a backup. Who's going to revive? Shivam Chaudhary. We will get Yuva Yodha's numbers very soon.
1 point. Sonipat Spartans.
We can trust on numbers to build the story. Of course, in 10 years, we have India One ATM that's grown to 14,000 and
point.
counting ATMs
Sonipat
across
Spartans.
16 states and
Number
union
3 out.
territories. First time in the industry, an ATM has introduced cashback for the loyal customers. The trusted
Match
ATM
over.
is always going to be India One. 3 all outs for the Sonipat Spartans.